I told you it was this train.
It was in Milwaukee yesterday. There's some old lady behind us screaming at all the We've been standing here since 4:30 with our fucking kids. If you want me to come in here, we should have been out here at 4:30. It wasn't very nice, so we're not going to be. That's the stage right there. That's how close we are. Woo! Look at there. And she's been here just as long as us, and she's tired of waiting. Okay.
Yeah, no, it's over here.
Love you too.
Sunday, is that over the Dowla boy over here? And the back there. So that can be good.
You gotta have tickets to go in it. He wants to go in it. Oh, he does? We're just watching, not buying. Maybe one year we'll buy tickets.
So you want to come over here?
Hey, yeah, scoot over this way. Lena. Or Josie. Josie. Josie, lean out. Lean out, right, come up that way. Hey, sit. Anna. We gotta do it again.
There you are.
Hey, bud.
Hiya. Say about me. There we go.
Oh, the touch pushed it further back.
They will, they're getting ready. Shining nose, and if you ever saw it, you wouldn't say
Thì đâu không?
I don't think it was Austin's birthday. I think it was just because Sarah was here with the boys.
Distracted by all those beautiful faces, I forgot where I was in the song. How are y'all feeling tonight? We're gonna keep the party going. This is another one of my original songs. This one's called Children.
Good evening, Tomah. Welcome to the 2024 Holiday Train. Are you guys having a good night out there? Since 1999, you've helped this train raise over $24 million and 5 million pounds of food for communities in need, just like yours. That deserves a round of applause. But the coolest part about that is that every dollar donated and every pound of food donated here tonight stays right here in your community, helping your community. But let's keep this season of giving going. So I'm going to invite some special guests to the stage. You may recognize them, Mr. Mayor Paul Dwyer and Shanna Creasel from Neighbor for Neighbor. And then we also have a local CBKC, Amy, one of our signals maintainer, who keeps this train rolling. So, as you can see, Amy's got a big check, but we're going to need your help to flip this check. So we're going to do a countdown. We're going to start with me here at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $4,500 for Neighbor for Neighbor. Mr. Mayor, would you like to say a few words?
Welcome, Tomah. So this is my very first year as being mayor of the great city of Tomah. I think it's one of the greatest cities in the state. So I'm glad to see everybody turned out the way they did. It's pretty awesome being up here and be able to see this many people out here. But once again, isn't that a wonderful thing? So with that being said, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and keep Christ in Christmas.
Would you like to say a few words?
All right, on behalf of the Neighbor for Neighbor Food Pantry, I would like to graciously accept this check. It helps us keep doing what we do and serve many members of our community, and this will be a great good for us. Thank you.
What do you say we give this stage back to the Lone Bellow and Tierra Kennedy?
Hello, Tomah! With a long bellow! Merry Christmas, everybody! 1, 2, 1, 2. Green eyes and a heart of gold. Money's blown in the house, it's cold. It'll be okay. Can we sing a Christmas song? I'd love to hear your voices. We're gonna sing one together. I'll take my guitar off with this weird jacket on. Janine, will you lead us in a song?
Absolutely. We heard that Tomah has some formidable singers. Let me see if you remember.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
All right, how do you guys feel about figgy pudding? You have to show me.
Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good tea. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. Won't go until we get some. So bring some right here. Good tidings we
Last one.
My band dared me to do this next part, so I'm sorry about what's about to happen. But if you know it, sing along with me, just to make it less awkward.
I don't know what's about to happen.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the present beneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own. All that you can ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Y'all ready? Come on, sing it out.
Home
I'll make this short and sweet because we got to get to our next 2 stops. But on behalf of CPKC and from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much for making a difference in your community. Soon we're going to get going, so make sure you stand back from the tracks. Thanks to our officers for keeping everybody safe. Remember, any time is train time. And lastly, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.
And we're gathered around the tree. Let's not forget the reason Christmas came to be. It was God in all His wonder who sent the greatest gift of love.
Where is Bud? Bud, your mom?